In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in a Microsoft Teams meeting the right way. Whether you're working remotely or collaborating with people across the globe, mastering this skill can significantly enhance your virtual interactions. So, let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to take to ensure a smooth presentation. First, join or start your Microsoft Teams meeting. Once you're inside your meeting, you'll see various controls on your screen. Look for the toolbar usually situated in the middle of the screen, towards the bottom. It holds a collection of crucial options, including the screen sharing button, which is represented by an icon that looks like a rectangle with an arrow. When you're ready to share your screen, go ahead and click that screen sharing button. You'll see a pop-up window, presenting you with multiple sharing options. You can choose to share your entire desktop, a specific window, or even a PowerPoint presentation, depending on what you need others to see. If you're opting to share your entire screen, this will display everything on your monitor, so be sure there's nothing private visible that you wouldn't want others to see. Sometimes, only a particular application window is relevant to your discussion. In this case, select the window option. This is a great choice if you want to keep the attention focused and prevent unexpected notifications from interrupting your session. Selecting this will ensure that nothing outside of that particular window will be shared with the participants. Now, if your presentation relies heavily on a PowerPoint file, there's an efficient option tailored just for that. Click on the PowerPoint option in the sharing menu. This will allow you to choose from recent presentations or upload a new one directly from your device. This feature can provide a smoother experience as it often keeps the presentation layout intact, ensuring your audience sees the slides as intended. Once you've chosen your preferred sharing option, your participants will receive a notification that you're now sharing your screen. On their end, they'll be able to see the selected window, application, or the whole screen you opted to share. While sharing, you're in control. You can pause at any time by hovering over the top center of the screen to reveal the toolbar again and selecting the pause button, or even stop sharing entirely whenever necessary. And that's it. You've just learned how to effectively share your screen in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Keeping these tips and steps in mind will help you convey your ideas clearly and professionally. If it's your first time using these features, it might take some practice to get comfortable, but with a little bit of experience, you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps enhance your virtual communication skills.